There was long ago, once upon a time, there were two kids out playing in the snow. They threw snow up that fell on the table that was shimmering and sparkling like never before. It was sparkling like shimmer. It was true. It happened long ago. It is really true. They just kept on throwing their snow up in the air until it even fall on the grass and melt. It is so powerful and sparkling shimmer. When the two little kids, they were out, the little ones on the sea. They walk into our yet to sing, prepare. We all need to hit snow. We all know to let it snow. Yes, we all need to let it snow. When you come true, it waits. When you come true, it waits. And there's so much that you, Mama, say. One song and a grateful lion. K and H. Oh, the snow. One the kids so sad they can't even make. They were so sad that they couldn't make the snow. Oh, it always comes true. Always to you. The ice. Those every picture. The ice. The matter. The freezing ice. The ice. The ice was finally gone. Because it forced us to ice up the doors. It iced up the doors. Frozen up. It will always be frozen. No matter what.